Hello everyone. Hope you are all doing good. So it is again a long gap and I am making another video today. So today we might see like 5 to 6 videos. Sorry, 5 to 6 job updates. So we'll be seeing the job updates from Capgemini, Meta, HPE, and then from Harman, and then from Societe Generale, and then a last job update from Netomi. So there is going to be like 6 job updates, and like you should watch till the end, and you will get the links in the description. So watch till the end, and if it is useful, you can share it to your friends, and if you know someone from the specific batch who is looking for jobs, you can share it to them. So let's proceed into this job update. So here you can see this is the first job update from Societe Generale, and they are hiring for software engineer, and it is going to be information technology domain. So the job location is going to be Bangalore, and then the start date is immediate. And it was posted on 13th of this month. It was like posted 13 days or 14 days before. So here you require like 0 to 2 years of experience, and this is going to be a hybrid role. So you might work in office and also work from home. So if you scroll down, you can look at the technical skills that is required here, like the languages like Scala and Shell, data processing like Spark and SQL, databases like PostgreSQL, Hive, Starburst, and then big data like Hadoop, Kafka, and CI/CD like Jenkins, Ansible, Control M, and methodology like Agile, backlog management, and then collaborative work. Then you can see some soft skills here. So you should have some rigor or adherence to the group standards such as security, quality, and compliance. And then you should have the ability to work in an international employment. So environment. So you should be proactive in optimizing the development and all those things. You can just click on apply button here and apply for this role. So let's proceed into the second role, that is from Meta. They are hiring for software engineer, university graduate. Bangalore is the location. So if you scroll down here, you can see at the minimum qualification that you should currently has or is the process of obtaining a bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering, or a related technical field, and you should have some equivalent practical experience. Then you should have completed your degree before joining Meta. So for example, till 2025 batch might be eligible here. Then experience in coding in industry standard language like Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript is important here. And then you should have work authorization in the country of employment at the time of hiring. Then you should maintain the ongoing work authorization during the employment also. Then here is a preferred qualification where you should have demonstrated some software engineering experience from your previous internships, work experiences, coding comprehensions or publications. Then you should have currently or in the process of obtaining a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or related field. So for this, 2000 till 2025 might be eligible, and then in this freshers will be eligible. Like it is like 0 to 2 years of experience, right? So we'll be proceeding to the third role, that is from HPE, and they're hiring for graduate software engineer, and the job location is going to be Bangalore. And if you scroll down, you can look at the education and experience that is required here. You should have done your bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, information systems, or closely related quantitative discipline, and a master's desirable. Then you should have like 0 to 2 years of experience in this domain. Then the knowledge and skills that is required here is you should have the programming skills in Python, Java, Golang, or JavaScript, and then some understanding of basic testing, coding, and debugging procedures. And you should have some ability to quickly learn the new skills and technologies and work well with other team members too. Then you should have some written and verbal communication skill, understanding of DevOps practices like continuous integration and continuous deployment is necessary here. So let's proceed into the fourth role, that is from Natomi, and they're hiring for software development intern, and it is going to be a Java software development intern role. So this is going to be a work from home opportunity for you all, and here is the requirements for this role. So you should have some experience in scripting languages for automated build or deployments, preferably Java. So you should be pursuing your degree in BE, BTech in computer science or from the tier of 1 and 2 institutes, and it should be from the passed out year of 2025 and 2026. So that's what it is required, and mostly you'll be working on REST based web frameworks using Java like Spark, Spring, ORM, and then some high level and low level designs of highly scalable and components and such things. So here, let's proceed into the fifth role, that is from Harman, and they are hiring for ML engineer, that is machine learning engineer, and the job location is going to be Gurhan, that is Haryana. And then that is a additional location. Sorry, the main location is going to be Bangalore, Karnataka. Then if you scroll down here, you can look at the things like the locations are Bangalore, Pune, Gurgaon and Coimbatore, but they didn't mention at the title. Then you require like 0 to 2 years, 2 years of experience for this role. So basically you require a bachelor's degree in data science, computer science, statistics, mathematics or related field. Then you should have like 0 to 2 years of experience in machine learning, generative AI, deep learning and LNM. Okay. So if you actually scroll down here, they are telling you like you should know about Python, you should know about generative AI stack like PyTorch, Keras, Kitek, LangChain, ChromaDB, Quarant, and such things. So other than that, they are telling you should have a project for portfolio with multiple real life projects like pet projects are welcomed here. And then here is the preferred and qualifications. So preferred as something that is not mandatory, that is like added advantage for you if you know those things, and those are like if you have experience in big tools and platforms such as Hadoop, Spark and Hive, experience in cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure or cloud platforms like Google, then familiarity in SQL and NoSQL databases, and understanding of software development best practices including the Git and Agile methodologies. So let's proceed into the last role. You might have seen this video, like we have posted like once or twice in our channel. So Capgemini is hiring for contact support group. This is a Capgemini XLR hiring for Noida location. So you have like 1 month left for you to apply for this role, but you should apply as soon as possible because they will be hiring you based on the batches. So if you are applying at the earliest, you will be at the earliest batch. If you are applying at the last time, you will be in the last batch. So it depends upon when you apply. So here is like the CTC where you will receive like 3 LPA and you will get like 3.2 LPA at the start. You will have like 25,000 as one time incentive. So here if you scroll down, you can look at the desired skills, like you should have some excellent communication and English speaking skills and some good interpersonal skills and ability to perform under pressure, basic computing skills, willingness to work in 24/7 environment. Candidates should be open to relocate in any locations and work in night shift. So the qualification is going to be like you should have completed any 3-year diploma or graduation in 2025, and as I said, the job location is going to be Noida. Then only if you're shortlisted, you will be knowing about the assessments and selection process, and also all these things will be done in virtual mode itself. So for that, you should have to make all the necessary arrangements like laptop, mic, camera, and everything for voice assessment or for aptitude or for interview. You require a laptop and a mic. So you should you even have a camera because sometimes they have monitoring and aptitude. So you require all these things and you are responsible for having all those required infrastructures. Okay. So all the roles, I have explained you all the roles. So I think this video was very useful for you. And if you're looking for any other things, if you want to know about any other things too, we will try to help you out or we will try to make a video on it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.